Hey again. In this video I'm going to present this. It's again a Scania R series. This time it's a Topline and it's again remote controlled. So you can drive it around. And out of the spring, yep. And if you have a trailer like this, then you can attach it just like the other truck by backing up. And if you can aim, which I can't, like this, then it pushes the trailer down and the legs go up. There's also an automatic decoupling mechanism, just like the other truck. And you can see here, it works by when you reverse. This split here turns down, which allows the trailer to go out. And if you go forward, this way, then nothing happens. See, the split stays up. Now, you can see the spring here. If I go really close, the spring that keeps it up, right here, which goes below the truck, to here, is blue. In the other truck I showed it was red. I'm going to update that truck so it uses blue just like this one, because it works better when this part is blue. And I'm going to take the mock-up here. So this is what I'm talking about, the mock-up from before. You see a red spring, which is gives a little more pulling power on this pin compared to the blue one, but it might be a little too much actually. If you have any trouble making this mechanism work on your own truck, you might want to tighten this pin by pressing on the side, or tightening the mechanism here in the back. And the same with this rubber pin here in the middle, it should be pretty taut. So, hello. And again, another thing not shown in the building instructions is that you can add lights. And it's just a normal power functions lights like this, where you get two LEDs, and they're connected directly to the battery box. I don't show you how to do it in the instructions, but you can see here that it's quite easy. If we can zoom in on the front light here, you see there's a hole for it right behind the light, and if you follow the building instructions, there's a place where this green brick is added to the interior of the truck. That green brick should actually be this brick here in the middle of the light. And another point, I've gotten some complaints about the steering mechanism is requires a little bit too much force from the servo motor. You see, pulling it like this, which means that the truck won't run as well when it's low on power. Now, the way you can solve that is by cheating. You can take this part and cut it right in the middle here. This is what I've done, and use that in the steering mechanism instead of this part here. You can see the part in the middle that the tan piece is connected to. You can replace that with the cut part looking like this. And this one reduces the friction that is required for you to turn. And you can see here how it's working. And of course you need a lift arm here underneath as well in order to follow the building instructions. But right now you can see that it actually works without, but if you're building this truck without this lift arm here underneath, the wheels might be touching the wheel wells, so that's a bad idea. So always add this at this part. Like that. And Wheels are back. And the truck turns or steers really well. So that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions regarding the building experience or what to do if something doesn't really work as it should, then just please ask me and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. And just again to compare the two trucks. The old one, please don't build this one unless you want to build a truck that doesn't work. And the new one, which actually works and is much more robust. I know I shouldn't do this, but oh well. Oh, you can lift it in the top. Amazing. Oh.